Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Pretty Links Lite settings for affiliate posts, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sidebar menu. Locate and click on the Pretty Links Lite option. This will take you to the Pretty Links dashboard. Here, you will see all your existing links. To update settings for a specific link, find the affiliate post you want to edit. Hover over the link and click on the Edit button. In the Edit screen, you will see various settings you can modify. Begin by revisiting the target URL field. Change it to the updated affiliate link as needed. Next, look for the slug section. This is where you set the custom URL for your link. Modify the slug if you want a more user-friendly URL. Now, scroll down to the Link Options section. Here, you can adjust settings like tracking and redirection type. Decide if you want to enable tracking for clicks on this link. If so, check the tracking option box. Make sure to select the appropriate redirection type. You may choose between a 301 or 302 redirect. 301 is best for permanent links, while 302 is for temporary ones. After adjustments, revisit the Advanced tab. Here, you can set up nofollow tags and add UTM parameters. Incorporating these tags can help with SEO and tracking. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, look for the Update Link button. Click on it to save your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating the link has been updated. To verify your updates, navigate back to your affiliate post. Check the pretty links inserted into your content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.